Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in this video we are going to see one scenario that I recently faced in my current organization. So the scenario is interesting and I thought this scenario will be helpful for everyone. So I'm going to share this scenario with you. So for this scenario I have created one dummy data that is as you can see country, and in India country we have a states and then state-wise cells. So these states are mapped in the under India country. Okay. So I think the data are really simple. We have countries, states, and states-wise cells. So let's load this data into the Tableau desktop. I have already loaded this data. So I will directly open the Tableau desktop here. So now the scenario is I want to see state-wise cell in the map chart. Okay, but there is a one twist. When I click on the states and when I drag cells into the text and I will create it as a map chart. So now as you can see we have cells in only, like, most of the states we have cells, but few of the states are like we don't have cells in that states. Okay, so the map is not showing completely. This is not a complete India map. So we want a ideal complete India map where in which states there is suppose cells, then it will show the cells, and if there is like no cells in that state, then we want to show like blank in that states. Okay. So now as you can see the map is not showing completely. We want the complete India map. Okay. So this is not an ideal map that we want. So for that I have used one trick. Okay. So first double click on the states. Okay, this is a very simple scenario. Just understand the scenario first. Duplicate this longitude and latitude. Okay, and make the dual axis of longitude and latitude as well. So now your map chart is ready. Sorry, your like chart is ready. Now drag, first remove the states from the first longitude. Drag country into the detail and cells into the text. Okay, and sorry, cells in the color. Okay, not in text, in the color. So it will shows the complete India chart in the color. So it is not going to remove your states or anything. And now we want to show states wise. So already we have taken states in the detail. Now take cells into the color. So now as you can see, complete our India chart, that ideal chart we want, that is shown here by Tableau with the help of this trick. So just I will recap once again how I have created this. So I will explain you again. Double click on the states, duplicate on the longitude and latitude. Okay, make it as dual axis, and in your first axis drag the remove states from detail, drag country in the detail and cells in the color. So it will take all entire map in the color, India entire map. Then from the second you need to take states into the detail and cells into the color. So it will shows you the state wise. Okay. So ideal India map is shown here. Now if you want to show the text, so you can show the text. If you want to show states as well in the text, so you can show states and as well as cells. Okay. So this is the ideal map chart scenario that I have recently faced. It it is a really simple scenario, but I think it will be sometime take too much time, so that's why I have shared with you. So that's it in this scenario. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you.